The next rung of the ladder is called pranayama. Pranayama is two words, prana and yama. The word prana means energy, and the word yama means to control or to be able to manipulate this energy. So pranayama is mastered in 3 stages. The first is awareness of the breath. So when we're practicing asana, we always have to be aware of our breath. So one of the simplest way to practice the concentration technique during asana practice is to be aware of each inhale and every exhale. So the first stage of the pranayama practice is awareness of the breath. Once we become aware of the breath, we go to the second stage of the pranayama practice, which is manipulation of the energy which is contained inside of the breath. For example, when we are practicing nadi shodhana or the alternate nostril breathing, we are learning how to control the energy which is coming in through the passive channel or the ida. Then we retain the breath, control the prana inside of our subtle body by allowing the prana to flow into different parts of the subtle body, opening up the nadis, purifying the nadis, and finally releasing the prana from the pingala, the active channel. So this is an example of how we are manipulating the prana which is contained inside of the breath. So when we breathe, what's coming in to the body is the energy which is contained inside of the breath. So manipulation of the breath, control of the breath is the second stage of the pranayama practice. The third stage of the pranayama practice is expansion of this energy. So once we've learned how to control this energy through different pranayama practices, whether it's the alternate nostril breathing, nadi shodhana, whether it's kapalabhati, the breath of fire, or whether it is bhastrika or the bellows breath, where we learn how to awaken the dormant energy, the kundalini which is lying at the base of the spine. So bhastrika being a very powerful tool, a very powerful pranayama practice which is designed to awaken the kundalini energy.